Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I will be doing a complete market overview of the major altcoins out there. You know, the major caps. Most of them are in the top 20 or top 30 range on the coin market cap. So I'll be discussing if it is a good time to enter this crypto market or not. And if you take a look at their USD pairs, for example, the Doge USD, you'll be like, hey, I'm not entering this because the Doge BTC chart looks topped up, right? However, there's many other coins which have barely started moving. Ethereum Classic is one such example. So you might be like, hey, we are about to, by the way, let me just remove this Fibonacci. This is the monthly chart from Bologna Cryptocurrency Exchange, and you'll be like, hey, we are about to reach resistance, this resistance, and yeah, we are halfway there, we're doing fine, right? Well, guess what? To get a reality check, fire up the BTC chart, and this is the BTC chart. And this is what I drew last month, where I said, hey, it's just getting started. And on the weekly, you can clearly see that we are forming a bottoming pattern here. This is what you want to see, apple bottom. And from here, since this is an old coin, we know where it is going to go, so you know where to sell. This is what I like about the old coins. People have forgotten about these gems and they barely start moving, and you've already started selling. So you see Ethereum Classic at $80 and you're like, whoa man, maybe I should sell, because probably you bought at $3 or $4 just like I did. Yes, I've started selling some of it, but I'm keeping a good position because I know for sure that if it reached $43 to the previous bull run when the Bitcoin was at around 20,000, imagine where this thing would go in terms of USD when it reaches its peak BTC position somewhere around here, which I will mark for you guys, which was somewhere around 0.0087. So that's quite a lot of money to be made, both in terms of BTC as well as we both on USD and BTC pair, so nearly 3,000%. I'll be careful about investing into coins like BNB though, because you can clearly see they're overbought. But there are several good coins like Stellar Lumens, for instance. This is a weekly chart fetched from Binance, and we're breaking out right now as we speak. This is Ichimoku, and this is what I wanted to see. Awesome breakout. Same goes for coins like Dash, which are breaking out as well. Right now the price is hovering around $310. A very undervalued gem in my opinion. Its previous all-time high was higher than Ethereum at that time, and there are only 9 or 10 million of these in circulation, so it's a very volatile coin to trade. I would not recommend using leverage while trading this very coin because it's super volatile, and half of these are already locked in masternodes, so it will go up very fast. And its previous top in terms of BTC was at around 0.11 BTC, and we are at 0.004. A shit ton of money is expected to be made on the Dash BTC pair. You can clearly see how much money you can make, nearly 3,000%. BCH is also looking fantastic. Really, I don't talk much about this coin, but you can clearly see it is breaking out. But in order to see how the coin is doing, you have to check out the BTC pair. So maybe the Coinbase will give us more history. Yeah, clearly. So is it breaking out? This is what I drew maybe 2 months earlier when I covered BCH. Maybe I should start covering it more now, because for the first time, let me remove this, it has been able to close above the 20-day moving average. So this might be a good time to enter BCH. Yeah. And in terms of USD, is right now at around $800, and this, like just like Dash, is very less in circulation, even though it is capped at 21 million. Most of the people didn't claim their PCH. So I guess the effective circulating supply would be somewhere around. I'm just giving this number out of nowhere, but I think it must be somewhere around 12 million or maybe 10 million. So very easy to pop, very easy to dump. So you must know when to get out to take profits. Profit is profit. LTC PTC ratio is another classic example that we are just getting started. We have closed above the 20-day moving average on the weekly, which is very crucial, and the monthly shows that we are just getting started. We flip to the green on the monthly. This is what happened on the Stellar Lumens last year. Let me show you where I was accurately able to predict the bottom. This is where we flipped to the green side, and immediately after 2 months we saw this massive pump from 442 sats to 1300 sats, 300%. This is where I exited my position in Stellar Lumens. You might be like, hey, this guy's an idiot, but no, I invested all of it in Ethereum, followed by Dash. So I made a lot of money. What you need to keep in mind is BTCD is the Bitcoin dominance. You would want this thing to go down. And it's looking bearish as fuck, and this is what you want to see. It should look bearish. And why is it important that it should look bearish? Because that is important for the altcoin season to continue. All the grandpa coins, by grandpa coins I mean Dash, Doge, the Stellar Lumens, Ripple, all of these coins have started breaking out. Ripple, by the way, I made a video earlier this week and I saw that this is the profit to be made, and we have touched our profit. Just exited my Ripple position, but I'm pretty sure there's room to grow. When you see its BTC ratio, you can clearly see we are just getting started. It's not too late, but there will be pullbacks. But if you're here for the long run, it's a good time to enter. We have just flipped to the green on the monthly as well, and hopefully we will close above above the 20-day moving average on the monthly as well. We are right now hovering around 2800 sats. Awesome. So is it a good time to enter the altcoin market? Absolutely yes. Most of them will go vertical, but next month I'm expecting a decent pullback of around 30 to 40%. So make sure to lock in those profits. So either go into BTC or you go into USD, because Bitcoin might take a retracement from here. So you can see that this is a very important level, 55.34. We've already breached that, and then the next level to look out for is, I think, yeah, 52 is the level to look out for. So I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to come here and then have a bounce, and then maybe we will go down further. But nothing goes down in a straight line, nothing goes up in a straight line, and when Bitcoin bounces, the altcoins will bleed, probably in USD as well as BTC value. But if you're here for the long term, if you have survived so far, I mean, fluctuations like these will not do any damage. So Ripple is looking great. When you fire out the Ichimoku, you can clearly we have been able to close above the resistance. Ethereum looking good, again above the resistance, a lot of upside. Stellar Lumens still very I would say a lot of upside to be made. I mean, we have not even touched the previous all-time high of 94 cents. That's still 30% away from where we are right now. 40%, nearly 40%. So after that, we can, sky's the limit. I mean, I have shared my targets after that, 1.5 and followed by $2. So probably we'll touch $2 by the end of this year, not before that. There will be pullbacks, and the pullbacks will be super harsh. Keep that in mind. Same goes for Litecoin, which is right now above $273. The next levels to look out for faced the previous all-time high of 383, and after that we will cross $500, probably in the Q3 or Q4 of 2021. You can clearly see the W shape here. It's a classic recovery pattern. So how are all looking? All looking fantastic. It's a good time to enter the LDR. Just keep an eye on BTCD. If you see it bouncing, get the fuck out of the altcoins and get into BTC or USD. So that was my analysis of the current situation, current cryptocurrency scenario, looking amazing. And get rich. If you cannot get rich in this cycle, God knows what will happen to you. And stop investing in shitcoins and stupid projects. That's all about it. Hope you like this video. I'm just an honest guy. Give this like, if you like this video, give this video a like. That's all I need from you guys. Just like, nothing else. And just subscribe for more cryptocurrency ICO news and price analysis. Bye bye.